Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, we are now going to look at the construction of the Sangster International Airport. Now this airport is the busiest airport in Jamaica, but it did not have the longest runway. So they are now extending the runway at the Sangster International Airport to over 3,000 feet, making it the longest runway in Jamaica. So there you can see the word runway extension project. The company doing it is LandGen. It's a foreign company. Now, this is the White House area. We can't go on the actual runway, so we're going to have to video it from the road. Okay, so here it is on the right. That's the runway being extended. It's an airport, so it has a security fence, but when this runway is completed, it will be the longest runway in Jamaica. And it's only fitting that the busiest and largest airport in Jamaica should have the longest runway. So this project is costing millions of US dollars. I don't remember the exact figure, I think but they're extending the runway over 300 feet. And remember, the airport is still open. So they are just working at this end, and then they'll connect it to the existing runway. This is a busy road because you have a lot of hotels further down, Sandals being one of them, Sandals White House. So this is a very busy road. Yeah, there's actually a plane taxiing to the end of the current runway now. Not sure if you can see it in the camera. Okay, let's go up. Okay, so there now you can see the plane. That is where the existing runway ends. So the plane is turning around to take off. And on the right is the Sandals Hotel. Alright, so let's continue the tour. So now this part of the airport, the runway is complete, and they're doing some work on the outside, but the actual runway is complete at this side of the airport. Alright, so this is the White House area now. And you can see the hotels on the right. gonna turn back around here. There's a nice view of the runway from this side now. So that's the active runway we're looking at now on the right. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.